Welcome to the Bagger Life. Let's talk about installing a pin lock on your face shield if it did not come pre-installed. So today we're working with an LS2 Explorer. However, this should translate to most helmets that come pin lock ready. So I've already taken the side covers off. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get the face shield off of the helmet so we have some room to work. You'll also notice that I'm wearing some black gloves. I have learned, this not being my first pin lock that I have ever done, that if you don't cover up your hands, you will do nothing but fight fingerprints. And then when you try to clean the fingerprints off of the inside of the pin lock, it's been my experience that what you do is you just add micro scratches to everything. So we are dealing with a new, clean interface shield. For the most part. Are those on the outside or the inside? So you want to make sure that you're working with clean, because you're going to be covering up the inner surface, and if you have any little historical markers in there, you're going to be looking through them. Oh. Sounds like Sean's rolling in, and I am behind the power curve. I'm supposed to have the helmet done, the bike out and ready to go, and my gear on. So, hopefully this goes fast. Okay. So you have your pin lock, and it has some protective film against it. It has a little inside seal. And all right. What I would like to do, get this plastic off of here. All right, stand by. We're going to pause real quick.
Pack of them, it's like $20.
I know. I
and then I use them.
Do that.
And then when they get nasty, I'll wash them, and then they become
rags.
Now we're back.
Oil,
so
whatever.
Right.
I've taken a little something. I've got both the sides of the coating peeled up. Now we should be able to install the pin lock. Maybe. You ever done one of these?
Multiple times.
I have. I've never found a good fucking way to do it.
Get it started and then fold the other plastic the other opposite direction.
Yeah, I know.
What are you doing, Morris? What are you doing? Oh, calm down. Calm down.
Fuck. Let's see. All right. So the plastic's peeled back. You get the pin lock started on the pins. Kind of get it lined up. How it's going to go in here.
You don't want the ball. You don't want that right
And you fold it back and you get the pin lock installed on the other side, and then via the magic of YouTube, it rolls into place. Huh. That was the easiest pin lock I've ever done.
I was gonna say.
Oh, well, I spoke too soon.
I was gonna say then you put it on backwards.
No.
That's my luck when it goes real easy. It's like, I must have put it on wrong.
No, so far so good. And there's your pin lock with no fingerprints in it. Now remember, when you're putting it back on the helmet, don't over tighten the screws. You have to put them in very delicately, like you're a small child. Or you strip shit out, then you're not using your new helmet to go on a ride, you're waiting for replacement parts. Not that I've ever done that before. So like the Germans say, good and tight, but not torqued. Or if you want a spec, .5 to 1 inch-pounds. Done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.